Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will be making mushroom toast. For this, take a pan over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat. Once the oil is hot, add 2 to 3 crushed garlic cloves and 1 teaspoon jeera. To this, add 1 thinly diced onion and mix. Add 200 grams of thinly cut mushrooms and mix well to combine. Add salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and mix. Add 2 to 3 diced spring onions. To this, add 2 tablespoons of flour and roast till the flour turns golden brown. Add half cup milk. Cover with a lid and cook till the milk evaporates and forms a thick paste. In the meantime, take the bread of your choice and toast on the well-oiled pan. Cut the toasted bread into smaller pieces and top with mushroom. Garnish with mint leaves. Your mushroom toast is ready. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and comment what recipes you want to see in the future. And until next time, keep cooking.